In this video, I'm going to be giving you my Frontier Fiber Internet review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Frontier Fiber Internet is a strong contender in the fiber optic broadband market, offering high-speed internet with no data caps and the added benefit of symmetrical upload and download speeds. According to their official fiber internet page, Frontier provides several plans designed to meet a variety of households or business internet needs, from casual users to serious gamers and streamers. Okay, so Frontier offers a range of fiber internet plans starting from 500, which is $44.99 a month for 500 megabytes, and it goes all the way to fiber 7 gig from $299.99 per month for 7,000 megabytes per second. Now, all plans are included in unlimited data, a free Wi-Fi router, and no annual contracts, making it easy to scale up or cancel service without fees. These options are ideal for households with many devices, content creators, or even small offices needing serious bandwidth. Okay, so let's talk about their key features. So Frontier Fiber Internet includes several standout features that we need to mention. They got symmetrical speeds, uploads are just as fast as downloads. There's no data cap, so stream, game, and download freely. And it's also contract free, cancel anytime without penalties. Wi-Fi router included at no extra rental costs, and optional bundling, so TV and home bundles are available. These benefits make it attractive to remote workers, students, or families needing stable, high-performance internet. Now, one of the limitations of Frontier Fiber is its availability, which is restricted to certain areas within 25 US states. So to see if your location is covered, go ahead and click onto Internet and you'll come to this page, and then put in your address and check availability. Now, according to online forums and Reddit, customer reviews are mixed. Many users appreciate the fast speeds and reasonable pricing, especially for gigabyte level plans. However, some customers report issues with customer service delays and occasional outages. While this isn't uncommon in the ISP world, it's worth factoring into your decision. Now, if Frontier Fiber is available in your area, it's a top tier choice for fast, unlimited, and flexible internet service with competitive pricing, no contract, and symmetrical speeds. It's well suited to from everything from video conferencing and 4K streaming to online gaming and file sharing. You can browse all current plans and sign up directly through their website.